meant to be confused. One night to speed up truth. We had a promise made, 4 hands and then away, both under influence. We had divine sense to know what to say. Mind is a razor blade to call for hands of above, to lean on. Would it be good enough for me now? One night of magic rush, the start a simple touch. One night to reach the screen, and then breathe. 10 days of perfect tunes, the colors red and blue. We had a promise made, we were in love. To call for hands of above, to lean on. Would it be good enough for me now? To call for hands of above, to lean on. Would it be good enough? And you knew the hand of the devil, and you kept us awake with false teeth, sharing different hearts.
Oi, sou o Frederic do Canadá, Montreal. Estou fazendo o passeio com o Guillermo. É uma experiência única, vale a pena. Estou um pouco cansado porque eu sou 52, mas tudo bem. As crianças estão muito felizes. É precioso essas coisas, então aproveita. I recommend it highly. So anybody who's from anywhere, really take the time to leave the beach, go in the forest and visit it, because it's absolutely worthwhile. It's unique and you won't find it anywhere else. So hope you enjoy it. If you do it, believe me, you will. Thank you.